Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you LaraBuilder, Laravel drag and drop SaaS. This is our admin panel. You can see dash report, total user, paid user, trial user, total payment. Then scroll down, new register user, recent payment. Then another option, user manage, user management, user list, add new, all user list. Here you can add new user, also edit, view and delete. Then project, add new project, all project here. Then you can setting, edit and delete. You can add new project. Then package, all package. In here monthly and yearly package, you can create, add new package. Then payment, offline payment. This is offline payment system and payment history. This payment history. Then language, all language. Then add new language. Website settings, software feature. Then knowledge base, theme option. You can customize your theme. Home page, about, terms and condition, SEO settings, social link, custom CSS. Then administration, general settings, email template, general settings, general exchange rate, database backup, system and support, system update. Then profile settings, you can customize your profile. Then you can change your password. If you want this software, check out link in the description below. Thank you.